Top nut. Mauri Sovereign International Patent. Top nut is the innovative, totally automatic system enabling perfect riveting of non-pre-drilled wood panels. Today, it is the most advanced solution available thanks to the characteristics of the threaded self-drilling rivet and the high-quality results obtained with the riveting unit. Top nut system contemporarily carries out all those functions that until now were performed manually by operators, from rivet positioning, perforation by pressure and final riveting. Rapid, accurate, time and costs optimizing. Top nut system is also an intelligent PLC controlled machine, storing up to 1,200 riveting programs that can be called up and run in a split second. Rivet feeding with quality control. The riveting unit is loaded by the feeder that also performs a special function to check rivet quality. Each rivet is inspected for internal threading by a mechanical sensor, signalling faulty pieces to the operator. Quality of process panels and consequently customer satisfaction are thus guaranteed. Perfect riveting of curved surfaces. The work table of the riveting unit is designed to achieve maximum accuracy in curved surface riveting. Fast, precise, cost-saving operation. Only 2.5 seconds to insert each rivet in any kind of panel, from 8 to 15 millimeters thick. Continuous dialogue between operator and riveting unit. The top nut riveting unit is equipped with a PLC that can be connected to a computer and printer. The operator can monitor all stages of the working process at any time. The system is designed to handle and store 1,200 riveting programs. All procedures have been designed and set up in order to ensure easy operation, immediate, readable and modifiable data. The first screen brings up front the 9 available functions foreseen and provides access to each of them. Working cycle selection. 4 functions can be selected to run the different operating cycles: automatic, semi-automatic, single and manual. Should automatic cycle be selected, information related to the stored program will be displayed on screen by indicating the number of passes, the pass in progress, the speed set for X and Y axes, dimensions of axes in millimeters, date and hour. Data storage control. Through this function you have access to the core of each program, so that they can be called up, edited, changed and saved again. This function enables you to process, step by step, all necessary information for the program. For security reasons, access to the data storage is authorized by a password. The password enables you to run all the auxiliary functions available in order to edit or to change the riveting operations. Working time and speed variation. The screen display of the function tempi e velocità, time and speed, enables you to read and adjust all variable parameters of the complete riveting cycle. From the mode for chip expulsion, correct rivet feeding, threading and positioning in the toolpiece to correct riveting. Input-output test. This screen display enables you to check the correct working of sensors and solenoid valves. It also enables you to monitor the input and output signals, those coming from X and Y axes, and the commands related to them. In the event of any problems, a series of alarms, message windows, appear to alert the operator.